Every day is not same. Sometimes you're happy and sometimes you're in your zone. Perfection is good, but it's okay to be messy as long as you are happy. Make your own style, be comfortable with yourself. Wait for beautiful sunrise or hold that beautiful sunset. Nothing is small, nothing is large. You can decide to go miles and miles or stop to unwind and relax. It's true, life is not easy. It's full of challenges. Break your barriers, push your limits, conquer your fear, and then reach for more. Life is precious. Experience the new things. Enjoy the moment and share your laughter. Sing and dance and create memories. That's all what we want from life. Be happy.
Happy New Year, guys!
Happy New Year!
So may your 2018 be the best year and you get all the happiness in the world. Okay?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!